Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Gotrax XR electric scooter. This electric scooter is best in budget. It comes with a 300 watts motor, which boosting the e-scooter to a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour. Its disc braking and anti-lock braking dual system maintains safe and responsive braking at a short distance. Front and rear 8.5-inch air-filled tires are comfortable to ride on, even over rough road or bumpy terrains. They've done lots of work to make riding much safer. The upgrade headlight provides more visibility. Taillight can remind other vehicles in the dark. Additional 6 reflectors provide full around protection while riding at night. The electric scooter's wide deck provides greater comfort for both of your feet, and improves stability when you step on. The large soft anti-slip pedal allows you to relax even during a long-range commute. The XR Elite e-scooter is equipped with a unique one-step folding system for maximum portability. Aluminum material can enhance stability, and a special red safety button to protect the scooter from folding while riding. Our second best electric scooter under $500 is Hiboy MAX V2 electric scooter. Equipped with the integrated button next to the right handle, you can easily control this scooter while riding. Keep the accelerator pedal for 6 seconds at 11 km per hour to activate cruise control. After hearing a beep, the scooter would maintain the current speed. To unfold the scooter, please step on the pedal with one foot and push the handlebar quickly and hard until you hear a clear click and visually see that the latch is fully locked into place. The Max V2 equipped with an extra wide deck of 55 by 15 centimeters, which is large enough to fit both feet and stable enough to support a weight up to 100 kilograms. On the right, a hand brake makes it slow down. On the left, a twist grip brake makes it completely stop. When the cruise control turns on, please use the accelerator again to cancel it. Then use the handbrake to slow down and use the e-brake to completely stop. The advanced 8.5-inch shock-absorbing and anti-slip solid tires deliver smooth performances, making your ride more comfortable and safe. Third choice in our list is Glion Dolly electric scooter. No more traffic jams in your car and no more sweating through your suit on a bike. With a top speed of 15 miles per hour and a range of 15 miles per charge, Glion Dolly electric scooter is a durable and practical tool to cut your commuting time and effort. Perfect for running errands, sightseeing and just getting around your neighborhood. Powerful 250 watt to 600 watt peak DC hub motor with electronic anti-lock maintenance free brake plus a rear fender press brake. Front tire suspension and honeycomb neverflat airless rubber tires. Patented dolly and vertical self-standing feature lets you roll it like a suitcase and stand it vertically out of the way. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Razor electric scooter. This elite electric scooter designed to impress at the office or around the neighborhood, the E-Prime combines sleek style with electric efficiency to bring a new level of sophistication to every ride. Featuring a high torque, electric hub motor, our patent-pending, anti-rattle, folding technology, taller, easy-adjust handlebars and extra-large, aluminum deck, the E-Prime will have you cruising or commuting, where permitted, in style at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, that means 24 kilometers per hour. Ages 14 and above, max weight 176 pounds. Razor's E-Prime electric scooter pairs modern design and craftsmanship with the excitement and efficiency of our high-torque, electric hub motor. At the office or around the neighborhood, the E-Prime combines sleek style with electric efficiency to bring a different level of sophistication to every ride. Built with the quality materials, the E-Prime features a 5-stage LED battery indicator display, durable aluminum frame and one-piece billet, aluminum fork with Razor's anti-rattle, folding technology. Its premium quality and construction makes any ride feel effortless. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best electric scooter under $500 list is Xiaomi Mi Electric Scooter. Mi Electric Scooter has a forward-thinking design that inspires and moves, just as it moves you ahead. Strong yet lightweight, the sturdy frame is made of aerospace-grade aluminum, which has a low density and high structural strength. It also has excellent thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance for added durability. Mi Electric Scooter is a great portable size and weight for carry-ons and for maneuvering stairs and pavements. Safety lighting headlights are essential for night riding, yet not all scooters have them. Red taillights flash distinctly while braking as a warning to other pedestrians and vehicles on the road. Up to 6 miles on a single charge. Several 18650 mAh high-capacity lithium batteries supplied by LG delivers up to 6 miles of travel on a single charge. Smart battery management via the app displays the health of the battery pack and notifies you immediately if there are issues. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.